You know, criminals don't take a break even during a pandemic. Experts say hackers are trying to cash in on the surge of hospital and doctor visits now by stealing private patient information. NBC4's Carolyn Johnson has information now about how they do it and how to protect yourself.
Medical records. They're chock full of your private information like your social security number, birth date, even driver's license number. And experts say during the pandemic, hackers are targeting medical records more than ever.
So the crisis really has been going on for some time. It is not new. It's just exacerbated.
Watchdogs say there have been dozens of hospital breaches so far this year. And a survey of doctors' offices earlier in the year found more than 80% had experienced a cyber attack. So what's going on? Cybersecurity expert Randy Pargman says now that medical records are online, they're easy for crooks to snag. Pargman says they typically do it through phishing schemes which download malware.
They don't even know it, but the attacker has remote control over their system. And then whatever medical records that employee could get access to, the attacker immediately has access to as well.
And when scammers have the records, they can sell them.
That information is really valuable to other criminals who want to commit identity theft and make some money that way.
By taking out loans and credit cards in your name, even filing fake tax returns. Leslie Francis's medical records were stolen a few years ago, and she never knows when a crook might try to use her personal data again.
The real thing for people to be aware of is that the risks of identity theft mostly are down the line. It's what's going to happen in 5 years, not what's going to happen to you tomorrow.
In California, there's been little legal recourse for victims of medical data breaches. To sue, victims had to prove their data wasn't just stolen, but actually viewed by someone else. That's changing. Attorney Brian Kabatek says a new state privacy statute that took effect July 1st is much more victim-friendly.
And now consumers don't have to prove that their data was actually used. All they have to prove is that it was breached, that the provider didn't do enough to protect the information.
But here's how you can help keep your medical records safe. Don't allow your healthcare provider to share your records with third parties. If you've stopped using a provider, get a copy of your records and then ask the provider to destroy theirs. And put a freeze on your credit report. It's free and you can easily lift the freeze when needed.
I've never fully known exactly what pieces of information were compromised.
If you'd like to freeze your credit with the credit bureaus, just go to our website, NBCLA.com. We have a link to all three of them for you.